Hey guys, welcome to Life with
Tisha
and Lisa. So today, my sister and I, we're gonna do a prank on our husbands. Marky, this is not my idea, this is my sister's idea, because when this is revealed, they need to know it's her, not me.
Oh my gosh.
Alright, so we're going to go to McDonald's and we're gonna grab them a meal. The idea that they have is that they're gonna be reviewing this meal, but I'm leaving the surprise to the end for you guys as well.
What? You're not going to tell them?
No,
Oh, okay. All right.
not telling them.
You're
You,
not
you
telling
need
them
to
how to
watch. You need to watch to see what's going to happen.
Okay. Okay, but we're going to the supermarket as well.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we're going to McDonald's and then we're going to pop into Food Basic
Okay.
because the prank require
Something in the
yeah,
grocery store. All right. So we're heading to McDonald's now, or the supermarket first?
Supermarket,
Okay.
yeah.
So we're heading to the supermarket
yeah.
first.
Okay.
Okay. So it's zero,
Yeah.
and my sister is dressed in denim. Yesterday's weather
Yeah.
fooled a lot of us.
Yeah, because I went out yesterday and everybody was in a light jacket
Yeah.
or no jacket at all.
Yeah.
And I had on my big old coat and I feel full. So today we decided, okay, I'm gonna put on my jeans jacket, but it cool.
Yeah.
Down. Yeah.
You know, bad.
Maybe because it's not up no layer.
Yeah.
But I'm cold.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, so we're making our way. We're going Food Basics.
Going to Food Basics.
So this is a popular grocery store in Canada, guys, if you're not in Canada. And that's where we're going to get the first piece of our puzzle for the prank.
Yeah.
Amanda Moses. Yes, front park.
I like
See?
to park away from everybody.
What? Especially in this over there, you want the front part them.
I look slow, like it goes slow.
Yeah.
He's not moving
They're so evil.
though. He now moves.
Oh, the man they go come out. Oh, this man they come out and say, ooh.
I'm holding up traffic.
We're getting a front park.
Watch
Oh,
out.
the man they
Look
come
at
out, you
show
know?
him, show it. Look at that. He's coming around. Turning
Watch out. Watch out. The man take we park. If you figure they go clap him. What a wicked man. We were waiting on this park. Stupid punk. Oh, see my come up here.
Like, why did you do that?
No, that's not
I
nice.
know, I see that he's not.
Get out, man.
Fix himself. You should not allow him to do that. He's not coming out. He's just a fix up.
What an evil man. We should...
Nah, move, make him can't fix.
Evilly.
Back up in him now.
Come on, your sister. No one
Wow.
have no bonus. You watch you moving in road rages. We're free. Watch out. Did you see that we were waiting on the park?
I didn't actually. Would you like the spot? I didn't see
It's
it.
okay. It's okay.
I know,
It's
but to
okay.
stick that in my face is just mean.
No,
I
it's
didn't
okay.
actually know.
No, it's
Okay.
not. It's
I'm
not.
very sorry,
No,
ladies.
we're making a
Okay.
vlog. We weren't really recording.
God bless you. I'm sorry.
But it happened
Alright.
to get caught on it.
All right.
I didn't
Yeah.
want to do that.
It's
Okay.
okay.
I went by. I thought you were going to go to the handicap.
Okay.
So I was- well, I don't know. I didn't know. It seemed like you were ready to that. So I was like, oh, and I'll just go past. And then somebody pulled out. And I was like, oh, good.
We were waiting because we
I'm
saw
so
that he was
sorry.
You're lucky you're a nice person. If you
God
weren't a
bless
nice
you.
person, I would strangle you. I'm just kidding.
Okay, they're coming out.
All right, have a great day. Effer.
It
I
knows.
cuss no one cuss him.
He knows.
You know what I'm doing?
You know, look at this one right here. So I can't get in there. It's okay. You know, say you want the close park.
See man, they finally they come out. What they're eating Trevor, you just when he come up when he come up so close to my face, I said, Jesus
I go
Christ.
tell him, say, why you they come up so close?
No, but that's why me I try to be nice because I cuss no one cuss him, you know. But because he's so close to my face, me I say me no want to say something and he take out it and stab me
No,
or
I thought he
something.
was coming. It was a little bit weird that he's coming up so close.
But guys, I see you in Canada when you come on to parking. It's a dog eat dog world out there. Cause look at that, we were right there waiting for the park and the man
And he
just take the
come
park.
right around us. Yeah.
And then Canadians have a bad habit. Then we sit in the car and then say you want to park
And you're not moving.
and they're not moving because look how long with the dear son and when we move off the man drive.
Yeah.
But anyway, we're going into Food Basics now to grab what we need.
Okay.
What's
Come on, you can
already,
get
Lily?
content.
What?
Come get content. Come on.
When they gone?
No, but come on.
Me afraid of him. Sorry. Where does it go?
Yeah.
Okay, so the first part of our
Challenge or prank?
Our prank is the hot pepper sauce.
Okay. So you think this is the hottest one though?
You want it hotter?
We want it hot.
Oh my God, sis.
Like which one of these are hot?
Habanero is hot.
You think it's hotter than this?
I don't even know. You know, so I feel like the hot pepper sauce in Canada water though.
It's not hot.
Like
It's
you know,
not
hot like
Yeah.
when we did Jamaica. Maybe we could do the habanero.
This is
Or
very
it's a
hot.
crushed red pepper.
No man, this is very hot, so we need to get that one. Put that one where put this back.
Okay, so we're getting these instead.
Yeah, we'll put it back over here. Really kidding? Oh my god.
This is not my idea, guys. This is Tisha's
I
idea.
saw it on TikTok.
This is not my idea. All right, so we need to get drinks because, of course, we're gonna empty the drinks that comes in.
Telling them the fact.
Oh yes. Okay. I can't tell you guys. Oh my God. Okay, so 2 bottles of pepper sauce and a bottle of Pepsi is $10.
And there's a gum.
And there's a gum.
If you guys guess yet, can they just make something for revenue?
Well, comment below before
Yeah.
you get to the end of the video and you know.
Let us know if you can guess what the prank is all about.
When we left the house, we told our husbands that we're gonna try the Drake McDonald meal. So that's what they're thinking at the moment. They're thinking we're gonna just grab food from McDonald's
And they're gonna do a review.
and we're gonna do a food review on the Drake McDonald meal or whatever. So we're heading to McDonald's now, and it's cold and snowy.
A little bit. A little bit snowy.
It's Friday evening.
So we're busy.
It would be nice to just be home. Yes, everybody's hurrying to get home before. I think this weekend going to be very cold.
Is it?
Yeah, I think so.
That's the punishment we get for a couple
Good.
nice warm days.
But put on your camera fast because it just went come too close to the window. And I said, Jesus, you know what could cross my mind? You remember that news with the girl on the bus? Oh my God, all of that something they start flashing on me and I said, Jesus Christ, I want to wind up the window. Me and when they on the button all along, you know.
Really?
See if me see make no bad move, me just
my
hurry up
God.
wind up the window.
Are we going through the drive-thru or we're at McDonald's?
Yeah.
Or
Or
go-
when I drive through or no. You want to go inside?
It's up to you. Yeah? We can't bother with it. You know, I'm going a content.
If I see anything without
We are going there. Well, okay, fine.
Guys, me lazy, me love going a drive through.
Oh,
I'm like front park.
You know what though? For the drink meal, I don't know what it is. This is all your idea. This part of your idea.
Yeah.
Yeah.
See there? In the end, the afters meal. See there? The afters meal.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah. What was your preference on this
No, I know.
Too late? I can bet that all these people in the line is buying it.
Yeah.
Just because it's
It's
free.
free?
Yeah.
I don't know if maybe I'm too late. I don't know.
We are getting. Well, RJ want it as well. The Drake meal. Where is it? It don't come up yet. Oh, see, the afters meal, I believe. I think that's it. Oh, yes, sis.
I would never come to McDonald's and spend $80. $80 on McDonald's?
But it's how much are we?
No way.
But $86 is for 6 of us.
I don't know. Maybe there's something wrong with me, but never. When I used to come to McDonald's with my kids, $5 for one meal. Hell no.
That was back then.
Hell no.
That was
the most
then.
when I spend around $20 for 4
Yeah,
hours.
so the meal at $24, $25?
For one meal?
Yeah.
And it's not real food?
Yeah, but guess what? We're doing it for the content, right?
Yeah.
Right?
That's
So-
the only reason.
Yeah, so it's-
Other than that, it would have never buy
No,
it.
it's a lot. It's a lot.
And then
Because
never
66 people, $86.
We could have go back Costco buy
Yeah.
one pack of chicken with 3, or maybe we could even go buy 2 pack of wings,
Mm-hmm.
some vegetable and fries, and even grab one drink for $80
Yeah, that's true.
with
But,
leftovers.
I mean, it's not like it's something that we're always doing,
I
right?
know,
So
I know. Don't mind me.
that's her every day, guys. She watch every dollar. All right, so we got all the food and we are heading home now.
Oh, but we have to set it up before we go home.
Oh,
Yeah. If we go set that up, we go pull over.
but we tell her they're close.
Yeah.
This is
it's
going to be horrible.
I know. I know. It's gonna be bad.
Not my idea.
Yeah.
But yeah, we're heading home now, so
How are we gonna get them to do it together?
we just, because remember we were telling them that they're doing a review, so we'll just set it up that they are sitting together.
Okay. No, but we want them to drink.
Yeah, so we're gonna say taste this 1st,
Mhm.
tell us what you think,
Mhm.
and then we say okay, drink, taste the drink,
Mhm.
tell us what you think. The drinks are one blue color drinks, you know.
Okay.
So maybe we can show them
No, we
what it
can't.
looks like.
How we can't open it once we put that in?
Okay, we'll just say just say they need to just drink the drink same time and then eat. No, we go say make them to eat first. Take a bite of the burger first, tell us what you think.
And then have a drink.
Have a sip of the drink,
Oh, God.
tell us what you think.
Oh my gosh. This is evil. I can't even come out. You know, because I won't push out.
You could. You would do me worse when you come out to the type of road here.
Mm.
Okay, so what we're gonna do, we are gonna be pouring the drinks from the cups,
Yeah.
and we're gonna leave the ice ones, all right? And
Yeah.
just stick it down in there.
Yeah.
We're gonna stick the bottle in
Mhm.
and put
straw.
the straw in and everything.
Yeah.
But we wouldn't put in a straw.
Why
And
not?
Would I put in a straw?
We're gonna
now?
have to do it and pretend like we did it for all the drink.
Okay.
A paper straw?
Me no know, but like me just wanna wonder if when we are sit them down, we can literally put in a straw for them.
Let's
Because it's almost like we are cater to them. Like,
so you don't miss the hole when you put it down in there.
oh yes, all right.
Yeah. Let them know that we decide that we have to tell you guys.
Yeah,
Because you know we've parked at the side.
yeah.
So we have to
Alright.
set it up before we go home.
What is it?
It tastes nice. Like a pure ice.
What do you say?
Cotton candy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. All right. Let me pause this. Okay. See there?
Oh, you know that card?
All right. This. Okay. So that's
Can
what
it
looks
fit
like.
in there?
Yeah. See there?
Let me go see it.
You think so?
Shake it up some more.
See there?
We have to put the straw in.
Yeah.
Put in the straw.
I think we should take off this.
Oh, the
The top right. Maybe we should throw back some of our drink. I'm not go pour it down here. You'll share between the two.
Okay.
That's how I feel, you know?
Oh God, is there? Think you want paper?
Kind of
Let me
people.
bite this off. You want paper?
You remember me see me,
Oh, you go pull
my
this.
fingernail supposed to can't go under it. Just have to go remember to wash my hands so that me know.
Yeah.
See there.
Put paper in your eye.
Yeah. Where's me have any contacts? Hmm?
That's it. That's not your That's your ice.
Yeah, because it like
But that.
we have to go through out as much as we can. See there? You see how it fit
Yeah.
flatter? You
Should
can.
put the ice around it.
Yeah, so we're gonna throw out some of this now.
Okay.
If you carry up to that the level there. You see me? No, I'm gonna go inside of the Okay. Alright, well this. It's not flat. Should we throw some up for
Yeah,
that?
there's too much in this one.
Yeah.
Balance it out.
Oh, maybe lift up the sauce.
Okay, I can't hold it.
You sure?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Wow, I see that. Oh my God. Hey! All right, come on,
Straw,
sis.
Lisa.
Where's straw them there? Okay, sit them here.
Okay,
Oh, we can't just lift off the top of straw, right?
sure. Paper straw?
Yeah.
Do you think it go
Absorb.
Mm-hmm.
That's why I wonder if you want like when we go in there and then
push
sit
in
down, we
there?
push in here
Okay, all right. Put it back
and
in
touch
there,
this. All right, guys. So we're just right around the corner from the house. So let's go.
Yeah.
We're gonna have the husbands test review the Drake meal. In the Drake meal, there's a poutine. There's a poutine. It comes with a fries.
Poutine with fries.
No, it come with a fries and a poutine?
Yeah, it comes with fries, poutine, and
No,
The fries
no,
are-
Lisa, that's up to them. You're getting mixed up.
Oh, for your kids, number.
Come here, so poutine is with
And you get the
fries.
RJ poutine because you get the same thing.
Okay, so these are your mock chicken. Oh, these are them.
Oh my god.
Remember,
So they had a fried bob.
These are them.
That's what they did.
These burgers. And then they have like a volcano type thing for the drink.
Yeah.
So I want you guys to take a bite of the burger first
We
and
need
tell
a
me what
fork
you think.
for the poutine. Do you need a fork for the poutine? Or should I can't eat it? Oh, did they give us forks?
No, I don't think so.
tin man.
Still,
So what do you do to this?
should I come up pick the burger?
I show the burger. It's in?
Yeah. Burger?
Is it?
I know, Drake should have something more, you know?
Like big.
How it tastes though.
Come on, pick the kids meal.
Yeah.
Come.
Maybe at the poutine. Try the poutine.
There's no.
There's no homes to it.
Is there bacon in it? What's in it?
Just pick. What is that? Pickle?
Oh.
Pickle meat and cheese.
It looks exactly like the kids burger.
Yeah, like a kid's cheese.
Yeah.
I could meet on a bite.
No.
So try the poutine now.
Try the poutine.
Should have tried chicken now.
Nigel look like you like, you know.
No wrong.
Yeah, my bad. Just pick up.
Okay, try them. Poutine.
Oh, bro.
Poutine if you have meat.
Hey, you know, so this is Canada national dish.
Well, yeah.
Not officially,
But, yeah.
but it is.
I don't know. I feel like poutine is a hit or miss for me because the gravy have to be right.
Yeah.
Wow.
It tastes good. I like it.
You nice room?
What is too much?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Not just about it, a little bit.
It's like a kid's meal,
Take
huh?
the recording?
It's a
Sure,
bit
sure.
stuff.
All right, and now this is their.
How's the cheese, you know?
And I like the cheese.
The cheese gonna chew, yeah?
Yeah,
We can't hear it.
choose no milk.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
But how the gravy taste?
Well, all right.
Yeah?
Cheese needs to melt.
Maybe
Yeah, you know.
warm it up?
The gravy never hot enough, so the cheese no
cheese
melt.
is-
Yeah, yeah.
Okay,
And when the bite it chewy.
okay, let's try the
All right,
drink.
so this is his midnight volcanic drink.
You
Yeah.
big so.
No, drink. Drink it.
What's happening? What's happening?
Mademoiselle. Why not? I don't drink.
I drink volcanic drink.
What is
That's not drink whatsoever.
Kill him, attack, kill him out. What the?
I drink for one, I'll be back.
Holy crap.
You don't like it?
Pepper, won't give me. Who drink pepper?
Go on and reveal to them. Go on and reveal. You are going to the reveal.
Oh,
What's Nigel views? Nigel will kill me.
why you throw it down so? It tastes nice. What's wrong with it?
The coffee tastes nice.
Okay, come to the Ryan.
What?
No, man, I'm asking. Which one? You want to taste some more?
No, you good.
Like that was the volcano erupting.
Teacher said the volcano erupted.
Okay.
Then put in it.
Oh my God.
So like the pepper was hot enough though.
Oh,
In a catch them the right way.
What's that?
It hot.
I just lick up at my teeth. Now take one.
come on, let me take the watch.
Like a thing. All right.
Hush, babe, drink some water.
All right, dry you.
Sorry, I dry you. Oh my God.
Okay, guys.
After drinks.
Is it?
What's around the
Is
video?
it? Is it big teeth? Right.
I did blue drink. The blue, whatever that is.
Okay, this one was for RJAJ.
Holy crap.
If you don't want to taste the original, what coming night?
Hold on.
That's
This
our
the good
original
idea.
coming night.
I want to buy them.
Yeah. I know my idea, Nigel. Let me turn around. No, I know my idea. So that's the actual drink we come in night. Yeah.
Oh my God.
But we did buy you guys a drink
Oh.
too. Yeah.
Oh.
So you like the drink there?
Yeah, you know all that with you. It
Yeah.
like it just kind of fresh. Yeah.
Me take out no fire. You see? That's why I almost killed me.
Oh God. Oh man, I'm so sorry.
So,
Oh yeah. It's
It was all in the name of content, guys.
yeah, yeah.
Nothing, man.
what
Nothing.
can I try to get rid of it?
It's all in the name of content.
I'm gonna try to bring you guys into the video somehow, or into our channel somehow. So this was the idea,
Holy crap.
and I think it was brilliant.
Yeah. Oh my God. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed.
It challenge that.
Oh my gosh.
We have to do it here.
What's your
All
You
right.
can come up with.
What's your go up to that?
Okay.
Okay. Anyway, challenge accepted.
Oh, okay.
But anyway, thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, comment. Let us
Subscribe.
know, if
Yeah.
you'd like to see more content like this.
Yeah.
And
Yeah. Bye.
bye. Say bye, guys.
Peace out.
Drink.